chorizo and chickpeas. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a simple salad. We are making a chickpea and chorizo salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by roasting bell pepper. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat bell pepper with olive oil. Roast in a preheated oven 20 to 25 minutes. Allow bell pepper to cool. Chop onion. Over medium heat, spray a skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add onions. Saute until translucent, 3 to 5 minutes. Take a second to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other healthy salads. We are sure you will enjoy them. Also, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Remove chorizo sausage from its casing. Roll sausage into balls. And add chorizo to the skillet. Gently combine and cook 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat. Pour into a bowl to cool. Drain and rinse chickpeas. Pour them into a bowl. Cover with water and sit 5 minutes. While chickpeas rest, remove skin and seeds from bell pepper. Slice and set aside. What is your favorite bean salad? Let us know your favorite. Comment below the video. After 5 minutes, remove skins from chickpeas. Place chickpeas into a bowl. Add chickpeas to chorizo and onions. Gently combine. Also add roasted bell peppers. Prepare salad greens. And fresh parsley. Add them to the bowl. Gently combine and set aside. Make the dressing. In a large bowl, pour olive oil, red wine vinegar, and sherry. Season with salt and pepper. Whisk to combine. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. This small act helps us grow. Pour dressing over salad. Toss. And serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.